welcome.
Hi,
Thanks for
Savannah.
having us along today to talk about finance. So I've got Dean Nicola here with me today from the Finance Agency, and he's the loan specialist with the Finance Agency, and he specialises in both residential and commercial loans. So Dina, I've been looking after your clients over the last number of years.
Yeah.
So
Probably for about 5 years now, Svetlana. Yep.
time flies,
It
doesn't
does,
it?
and it's going well.
And tell me, do your clients ask you how they can actually pay off their home loan faster?
Yeah, look, Svetlana, it's a question we get asked quite a lot here, and it's quite a simple process for a lot of our clients where some of them will just be paying their loans off on a monthly basis, but just by converting that to a fortnightly basis potentially, they can save up to 10 years off their home loan on an average home loan size in WA.
That's considerable. That's like a third.
Correct, yeah,
Over a
yep.
30-year
And
period.
roughly about $9,000 to $10,000 in interest as well.
Over that period?
Over that period, yeah.
Interesting. So with respect to the clients that we've been seeing, obviously debt reduction to be able to weave into their other strategies is extremely important. You know, and like you were saying, shaving 1% off, looking at interest rates alone and shopping that around, saving 1% on a $500,000 portfolio has the effect of saving about $5,000 a year.
Yep, absolutely.
150 grand over a 30-year time frame. That's
Yes,
a lot of money.
That is. So one of our other strategies is, besides perhaps changing their repayments from monthly to fortnightly or even weekly, is also a big factor in what we do. He's looking to get them a cheaper rate and potentially refinance them into a rate where, that 0.5% or 1% off a home loan makes a big difference over the life of a loan.
Yeah.
And you have to look at it over a longer term, not a short period.
Yeah. So do you find things change quickly? Like, do you just sit and forget?
No, so as part of what we do at the Finance Agency is review our customers' loans annually to make sure they are on the best rate, the best loan product over that time and that what suits their needs. And if it's not, then we'll have that discussion with our customers to make sure that the loan is the right loan for them.
Excellent. And also the topic of offset accounts, that also has a considerable saving for clients. And I guess it's really important to understand exactly what the client is trying to achieve to better maximise the outcome, because that too can shave years and save a lot of money.
Yeah, absolutely. So clients where they have some good savings habits and they can put the additional funds into an offset account to offset the interest they're paying on a home loan can have a large impact. The flip side to that is also clients that perhaps might just need a cheaper rate, who don't have that same savings ability, where you often will teach them to save. So we'll often look for just a real cheap rate for them, which sometimes can have a similar impact to having an offset account, where some clients do have the ability to pay that extra money into that offset account and save interest again over a long period, can have a big impact on their home loan.
And do you find all the clients ask these questions, or do you find you need to spend some time educating some clients to motivate them to maybe take those steps?
Yeah, so what we found is clients that have had a home loan before generally understand the different loan types out there. But what I like doing is with our first home buyers, they're the ones who may need a little bit more educating, and the benefits of saving and having offset accounts or paying fortnightly or weekly against monthly. So they're the ones we'd really like to work with and educate a lot more.
Excellent. So money management is extremely vital. It can have a significant effect. And just those three little points, I think, that you raised, getting a cheaper rate, using an offset account, changing the frequency is extremely valuable, and we like to quantify that.
Yes.
It always makes it very real. So thanks so much, Dean, for offering your wisdom. And stay tuned. We look forward to being with you next time. Thank you.